I hold him. And the zombie said, me now hold a charger, you know. 6 bars, I go take a one, I don't take you know. A zombie, I don't know my name. Where one name we get all with squash. I don't even know my name. Me say, I don't take a charger, you know. Squash, I have to go all a one, you know. And the police them here pan the blood clot dash camera. That's why you have to go prison. Paper. Me say when the police have all bomb class squash with the chip Glock to bomb. When you can name we get all the gun with squash. When name? Comment in name. When they was squash, my dog said me not take a charger, you know. Artist have to go all a one, you know. Squash said I saw squash open up in your half him. Squash can't believe say dog deep do him that. Dog say nah take that charger bomb clot. I press squash gun right now. Me say up to now. He can't come out. I wear any name, I never know any name. A zombie, I say a zombie one night time. I don't know about him. I never know any name of blood. Somebody know what I go on for can't tell you. I don't know what I go on a blood clot. Then nah, take a charge. Alright, them people. When you go and hold them in the youth. You just know say a dark out there. You know? You see me? A dark out there. A dark side, we say, no, man. Yeah, man. Man a fuck bumbo class Salkia New York. Me say them depend that but when they hold me. You can't hold me pussy. You go and wait for hold me. I bank and take a picture. I just read that delete the picture me pussy. Or dirty drunk. Brad a batty boy, man. Man a fuck Brad. Fred man a sucking. Brad like when man sucking cock, you know. Brad obsessed with Batty and transmission. So if I see my buy Fred man car and chain and watch, you know, say I suck Fred man a sucking cock. And if Fred man wish we contact him, if he contact he shoot. Bring down on a dirty blood clot. You know, if you come down, Byron none of these paper. Rather than take away Byron Messiah visa and can't come back over here. Because I mix with squash and a gang thing, so then take away visa. And a batty boy and no visa. Byron Messiah and can't come back to America, then cancel visa. Because I mix with squash them.
So could blame them.
Wanna be J man. We not gonna suck your man top company life. How you? Top company life, bad man.
So could you be my batty boy?
We know me from batty boy.
Eddie Bugs.
You come, you see me, my man them know me no fam. So all them, me no know you.
So you know your mother.
I say you know me, I don't know some man you. So all the boy them scheme boss. Me used to tell girl when you want to hold me, sing in jail, you hold in peace, I'm matic. I'd prison him go.
Yo, boy, man, that's a party.
Go suck your mama, not with 6 and my boy. Go suck your mama from my life. Well, on look boy, call some of them, one of them look boy. That's one of them scheme bosses come from my life every day. Until a girl come tell me say, you know, say a squash shooter. Rare. Look boy, if you come a jail me seeing her right now, a girl come tell me where they say, boy, if you talk about say, my bones, they used to say enter and hold me, but show me mad, they can't catch me. Cause some of them me don't know in the paper. Cause be a new man thought say 6. I don't see long time one them me know. Me don't know a new 6 them, so that's why I say me have to turn on my yard people, cause you are some 6 so me don't know. Them are new 6 them, but nobody not to know. Cause I sound like a boy which must say squash artist, you know. So all the man don't want to run in pan him, I want to par with him. You see me? So then look a new boy, them me not to know them. So me have to kind of hide. That's why I say me turn on my yard, cause me don't know some of them. Me know a long time one them like all squash, Fred them and little boy, and Rummy and them and little boy. Me know them. And Bulby them and little boy. Me know them because me and them grow on their own, you know. But you see new one them we are zombie them and little boy. Me know zombie for internet. Chip chat them, me know them. Yeah man, internet one them me go know them. But you see one them me not known. Some little boy we want to make their name. Because me don't know Joe. And when Joe dead, me know him bro. So I try to say, squash is a youth when influence and youth run him to do this. Me nah this man want me, you good? Me name must me the raise white flag with you. I'm sorry for disrespect you with you, hear me friend? I say me and doing that on friends, so me nah this.
Some followers now make me broke.
People follow her up people. Follow her up. Then say I am me too.
I mean this, I just chew me now about no ear, but I can be see me too. Sweet and true.
You skeng the pan show and family, I'm a friend them.
Well, friend them.
You know,
I said I know Westmoreland this I keep Sunday.
Yeah, man. Tell Skeng say I'm Blam, my friend, and make him call me. Our family, you know.
I'm if you tune, no worry yourself. Don't be alarmed. See them, I put up.
So, what make you girl, what make you, Candy?
Eh?
What make you girl like I follow you up, so? And you know look good, you maga, you look better than him. Your pussy fat, your body
No,
good.
no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Me don't fuck you over her. Yeah, visa. Come here,
Roll
bad.
that, no, man. Roll that, no, man.
Alright, me love that alone.
Roll that, no, man.
Alright, me love you alone. So we are going with the good.
Come, I never see you yet. Oh, yeah, look.
Get a visa and come and me text you and me
You
send
know,
them.
say me have my visa now.
And me buy your ticket.
I just told me can't me have to show them. I can't go Friday.
You can't come spend 3 days, me man. How do you man? Remember say me full of money, and me give me mine you. And me
That not go work.
no me can't go work. To me trouble you too much. I may be disrespectful.
No. So, alright. You don't know if me a transmission. Look for me.
That the way I try to say, do one your body, man.
But me and don't have fuck. Who tells me I don't have fuck?
Then so do one have flirt with transmission by internet.
Don't have flirt with everybody. I don't know nothing personal.
So way I try to say, dog a fish.
I mean,
You
I
know
talk
chat.
about nobody. And me and you, me a talk.
But what about that? Remember say I do one alone, me see you flirt with. So now you may have to use as an example. We don't know nobody else to flirt with.
But I mean, I have flirt right now. Me I said suppose.
Well,
me
don't say you're
no
not transmission. No say no run no transmission joke place. I want a nice girl. I like you. I like when you used to push something in your pussy. Cause I want me cat boy in there now.
Alright. Let's say 40 then.
I have one nice little baby. Me like you. Me not against it. But you actually you used to talk to me. You used to cuss here. But me not mean not when me cuss.
Oh, alright then, my boss. Let's say 40 then, man.
Me like you. People no follow her up. Me at 2,700. I big top Nicki Minaj over here.
Yeah.
Put in a rap over here. Bro, Nicki Minaj is my friend in a real. I'm a good friend. I want Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj is the biggest in a girl in a world. In a rapping. And she up on my life. The biggest rapper in the world. Nicki Minaj. I'm my friend.
Nicki Minaj is the biggest world in the world.
I biggest rapper in the world. And Nicki Minaj and in my life. And me a celebrity. Remember, me tell them say me a celebrity and I have to tune now, you know. Remember me say me a celebrity. Me a celebrity. And then me turn celebrity for show. Cause me remember say that's why they say when you want something, just speak it in existence. And it work.
So
Yeah, bro. Can me tell the people them say me a big old top celebrity and me turn celebrity with you. And that me a sure say you can get what you want in a life. Me a celebrity in a real bro. Remember say me turn look what big artists that on me rhythm. Skeng. Camille. I boss all intense the voice song for me rhythm. Rasta. Now I want hit song Skeng voice give me. When I see me mix that song there and do a video in a churchyard with if I'm blood clot video we go shoot for that song there man. All night churchyard with the have gun man. Demon with demon out man. Yeah man. I hit song. Yeah man, the advice 2 songs for me rhythm. Yeah. Remember say, alright, remember say Candy one time when you want play me, no come here, I boss me say, me cuss you till me boss. I say sometime, yeah, when you want something, when you want good, nose off you run. Yeah man. Yo, me tell you, me tell you, I say, Batty boy Joshy. Joshy, anytime me say, me go box in your face, Batty boy, wait. Batty boy Joshy. Anytime me say, me go box in your face, Joshy. Remember me tell you that? Brenta. Yeah, so Candy. Yeah, so when your visa up? In Candy?
what you say?
Me say when your visa up?
Me can't really hear out my business like that pan the media still.
Yeah. Alright, you good. Send me a number, Candy, man, and come give me a link. Me your par. Yeah?
I am honored. Oh.
After this bumbo clad, can't fuck me the defender, you know, the panda. Like it of, I don't want to give pussy. And like say that pussy in the world. Come if I fuck Ivany over here. Ivany, you know, like he suck out good. You never say that, you know, do it good like Ivany. Can we a bumbo clad, you can't go suck out him more. Me alright with that. Call back Ivany people, cause they get like, you alright. Suck out your mama, girl. I must think me can't hear. Call live on the people, come off of this bomb buckler. I want somebody to chat to. Oh. Yo, elbow, where you going with? Yes, he suck pussy than buried up on life today about up himself. I'm the body of sense. When me go suck on the mother and tap send me request. Why you not go suck out to the mother? Don't send me request, man. Go suck on the mama, man. Not send me no request. Go on and go suck on the mama. Okay, well, I know I come with fake page for no contact. Talk facts, me say you talk facts. Damage we create. Head fully done up, senseless, beat up the calico. We want paper. Be call Ivany. Tell Ivany if me done with the mix up now if you come. Hello.
Blam.
Why pray?
Why go along? Mama can talk to somebody. Hold on.
Who that somebody there? Are you there? Play a picture, mama?
Yeah.
You look good. You look good, mama.
Blam not me look good. Tell me, say you. Yes, look for my picture. You will see who am me there. You will have ask me that.
Me know you. Me know you in a real life.
No, you don't know me, but me know your gunman wife. This yeah, chat to.
No say 40, man. Respect, man. Big up your badness.
Alright.
Not too chatty, code. What you done?
Alright.
Suck out to the mama. Suck out to the mama. That bank where you people live with them careless people.
Go suck your mother body boy. Go suck your mother.
Go suck out your mother and tap and
Go suck out your.
Look a boy like he love club more, me bad man. And all people live with be a careless bumbo clad, dirty low life people. All the dirty girl in them blue royal walk and fuck on the whole of Jamaica. None people live no careless people. We go suck on the mother man. I like that. Me go come off for this in that. I just go back and my bumbo clad go die all the daytime and 9 time. I'm call some California. That's thing I go suck on the mother man. Can you come back at some crosses there? Me also my tap come back like bad man. Like, one of you go suck on the mother man. You know sick me to every day youth. One of you go dead somehow no bad man and left me live. Can you come and follow me up bad man? Me all inform for myself to that. Me not like a bone in on the youth. I shall look at one every time man see me the whole heap of views, the man want to send me request, you know. I look at batty but come out and suck him, mother. Anytime you see me the whole heap of views, he want to send me request. All batty boy. People, Andrew Jones are criminal, Andrew Jones are sell out the land name in our country. But boy come from Trinidad, them are 6. Me had him. Hey, suck out boy, we not gonna suck him out. You make you want me disrespect you? Eh? In batty boy. Eh? Tap send me request and go suck your mama and papa then. Suck your mother. I'm like Trinidad 6 them. And do.
Fully. Knock it on 7. Knock it on 7.
Knock it on your mother pussy man. You fucking clown. Say man, I'm a waste man, you know you. Blam then. I wish you say along out in tongue. Blood clam me had her. Hurt. Mama along out in tongue so you. Mama your tongue look good. One good nose off your run. Suck out to the mother man. Me say yo, I want to hold some man up on my piece of matic with me a vessel. Paper. I don't know if you know say We are run out immigrant them. I tell them man they run blood clot Florida. I'm not a ball Miami. Then the batty boy nobody can run America. America this. Not even rapper them can run boy. So then look at batty boy they come from Jamaica. If we can't say they run here. I say a president gone. No boy no run Miami. No make them trick. Don't make them trick.
Sometimes I can't listen when I say no. Hey!
Ivany, look how long me they call the babes. Oh, Ivany, watch
The
out.
people then just tell me. I didn't believe them because they lie no.
Ivany, bro, me like you for true, bro. If you give me a chance, bro, me if you dead, dog. God, I not like with you, you not believe me, but I like you, dog. Me like you for true, Ivany. Me not
When
tell
you buy a dress off your eyes, I buy a dress
me
off
not
your
tell you
eyes.
if you text me text you for me.
Me can't find you, me can't find the number.
Me text you right now. Hold on,
I
people. Me
want
text
the black
Ivany.
dress off for my son.
Hold on, me text you. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna text you for my number. Yeah, hold on, me text you, baby. No link me number. You Ivany, cause I don't mind my name. Yeah?
You ever used to me a walk a lick nobody number?
No, me know me not fall out still. See fireball over here.
Well then, correct balance.
Over here, they laugh.
You know, say credit one a thief. Credit one give me $200 credit limit. So all no correct balance is $226. What that mean? Me go lock down. Me go call him and tell them lock this down. Come in and pay that them suck with bomber cloth. Where text there? Fireball, what happened?
Lady in a text me that try text up on WhatsApp. He say, Lexi, you know WhatsApp on the number.
Where number end with wild digit?
6284.
84. So you too lie, cause see me in WhatsApp. The same text me.
Well on.
I see Blam there might be a typo. Did you mean blade as in sharp edge or something? What is this? Oh, are you this now?
Call it.
No.
Send me just a now.
Are
Me
you
go buy.
rich?
Me go, alright, so Ivany. Remember, me know you're in a business, you know. Bet you come fuck me and make internet now say you fuck me. You don't have to hide. Come and say you hide you fuck them, you know. Come fuck me, man. You don't have to hide and fuck me. But the people, you know, they ain't say me
What you said?
come fuck me, man. Make me head there for true, man. Not, you know, you don't have to, you know. Give me a chance, man. You don't have to deal with me, so I like you. Ivany, a long time, I like
So
you.
you see how soon you want fuck. So like how you want for your F so quick. When me forget so quick too.
No be a money me okay. Me keep Ivany, me a whole heap of money can gain. You don't know what I already, man. Me mind you, man.
How
And you
much
can't
money
come
you
up
give me?
with me.
Cause you have to give me more than what me making now. So how much money you have to give me?
Don't give you money every time. I say my mind get hard. I say you don't know say I two car me buy since here. Two different girls. Me upgrade the car. Me not tell her man. For once me cap going out of the wall, you know. Me upgrade the car. Cause me know what me after me know what me want. When me coming out,
You have to make a down payment first.
Then after you not cooperate, sometimes I call you and answer because you run it look dirty boy. You make a Yankee boy.
You think dirty boy can't tell me enough for answer for. Me cheap out, you know.
So make an answer me.
Nah, them no run my show, you know.
So make an answer me when me call you. Make an answer me when me call you.
Me probably more why when you call me over OF. When me come off a TikTok, you think me go on my bed, I'm a different platform I go on.
No. So you not
One
me
platform. Me go over there, go turn up over OF.
Yeah.
And then when me left from there, so brush my teeth and bed under my bed.
So like when me talk fuck you.
He did just on candlelight.
You not go video me body, but you video me cock in your hole.
Yeah, did over candlelight, I say same thing. Over big C live, I say same thing. But all me go know it's true. You have to buy just I just me.
I lie them at the life, man. I mean, talk about relations of life. No, that is really dirty people. I thought, you know that. Me tell you, you know, I feel low like people, man. Not gossip.
I true, cause you did the same thing with me.
When me could have when me want to fuck Candy bad, mommy I do it Candy. Candy first thing you Batman name. Me no want go there so. Everybody when me know name Candy, wanna crack at a Batman.
But me just watch it live too.
I joke me that make with Candy, bro. Me no want the girl like I don't want to fuck you. And you me want we no TikTok and never fuck. Remember your man named a Yankee. I mean, I first man in a TikTok with I in the whole. So, where they pan the media. You know, me don't know if nobody behind closed door got it. But we're behind media, me mean. But that will which you know nothing to do with me. But watch out, you have to make the
Blam,
work do
blam.
it, man. Somebody say Gage fuck you, true?
Gage, my friend.
Oh.
I them want fuck Gage and can't get for fuck Gage because look at they obsessed everything they call the man. You wanna obsess with the man?
Dirty drunker them, man. You have to
The man
make
name
it.
out who me F, but they not name out who them man and woman are F behind closed door what them don't know about.
Dirty
Go
drunker them.
worry and go ask your man if he ever F Vani. Cause some man don't like Vani, but when the man careless and would have lay down with me, I ask you. And
Where
the
me
found whether like me and I chat about who me F. If you ever take your man phone now and you subscribe over who if me I tell you the truth, you subscribe over.
Ivan, the one way they do over there. Right
You
now.
subscribe over there now. I bet you any money you subscribe.
My
And
subscription
that's
done now. My subscription, you want to make me do it last month, I go pay back for it. But me can't believe they watch you, bro. More you there with me in real life. You see me?
The dresser.
Me or buy just text me, all of me know your
Me
text.
send you some bike now, make me see it. And me hear you talk.
Well, I'm buy it right now. Put it in my car.
I feel ice. The black one.
Me I buy it right now. Hold on, don't move.
They will buy it then. I wonder if Blam them have wood.
He say he go deliver in Alia. And they say if he deliver.
What? What?
When me click the link at this, me say. The link where you send me, click here at this, me say. Hold on, I need a load.
Kalia.
Well, I'm more show you, hold on.
No, we buy all and we buy for true.
Need a load, hold on, I need a load. It's a green screen a load, me not making it take so long to load. People, me I pay down my money for Ivany pussy.
Oh yeah, this. Okay, thank you. No. Send me money, me buy. Yeah, Apple Pay.
Yeah, paper.
Nobody don't have time for that. Send it Apple Pay, man.
Yeah, paper.
Want to Apple Pay?
Me have money for my PayPal right now, but I'm selling it.
Wait, my friend, them have PayPal no. Let me see
You want
much.
to hear PayPal where you cash out your money?
It can't collect money. It only like it tell you about it will accept it, but then it tell you say wait for them release it certain time. I don't know what them type of shit them depend.
Well, on, me call me no. Well, on, me go make my dog do it. Cause me know Ray. Me call the dog right now. Well, on, give me that phone.
Nah, put a dog in my business, you know.
No, me not. No, me upset. Must send it right now. Hold on.
How me tell how much money for send?
Hold on, must send me PayPal. Text me PayPal. Let me send it.
It have interest, you know.
Me call him.
$314 for and 99 cents. Send $320 with tax. Oh.
Hold on there.
Which dog that there?
No, hold on. Yo, fam, me dey on TikTok live. You hear me?
Yeah.
Watch out, me go make you send some money on PayPal.
Why, pass me PayPal.
Yeah, cause me no want me no want send it from my PayPal. No. Me no want send it from my PayPal and then get me name. So me go send it back to your PayPal and you send it to her. Ivan.
So me be fuck man, I me don't know their name.
Cause me no want cause me send it from my PayPal and go get me name, you see me? So me don't send it to your PayPal, you send it back again.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, code.
Yeah.
We just off at $500.
Eh? You know what I say?
You're not going to road night, though.
You're not going to road, you can't go in the road, yes. Nothing wrong. Yeah, that we can't go in the road, bad man.
Yeah, they get a dangerous.
Yeah, but I'm go.
Why?
So tell that I go.
Me nah laugh. Yo, me say, hey, me say me nah laugh with Uno. When me sit down, you like me high.
Anything I say, alarm, man. I want
Nah, snipe the team, snipe no.
I come off fire.
Snipe.
Can't go, man. Nothing wrong.
You don't know if you beg.
Yeah, we can't go, man. Just find bangers.
I know say me don't know if you beg. Me just honest when me beg. Is a difference, you know. Is a difference. Me honest when me beg.
Yeah, Ivany, you hear me?
When you beg, you can't lie. You know, you lie.
Send me paper right now.
When you beg, you know, you lie.
Send me paper, Ivany.
Wait, me not have it. Me have to wait for her for send.
One good, nose if you run. Focus on never low up on the funds.
So, yeah. So, let me ask you a question now. The time when your video called me, you had a beautiful brownie in the bed. Who is that?
Nah, that dirty girl. Me don't need that girl for how much month now. Into my war. You fuck too much, son. You see me? Don't take him fuck like a dog.
All man never not stab him. It's something, it's something.
When it's a lot of fun, you interact.
You, any man who have to come on live, contact them, man of six. The real six, them I look for me if you do me things. I saw nothing know say me bad, kaya. The man them a kill people in a real life. I made the troll man them. I say some serious thing. And then can't do me nothing. That means say me bad then. So that's why I know say uno wanna eat that. Uno wanna real six. Suck out to no matter and top come on me life. Wanna be six. Batty boy, come on me live, I follow. Me like a boy come like a batty man. Every time them a come on me live. There is some like a batty boy complain me bad man.
You good though?
Yeah man, how you now? You know me in a real life.
I don't know in real life. I know you're on TikTok, I know you.
Oh, which way are they? You look good.
Eh?
You look good.
I don't know you. If you go look on my page and you like can't assume that. I don't know. I can't go honest.
Are you the Jamaica or foreign?
Jamaica.
Yeah, visa.
No?
Go on, me not race this time, pal. You gotta fuck me the look. From one hour. So then black Ivan, like me, I call Ivan upon free nights and look a fuck upon phone. Cause when you come like a sound crosses, me I go call her cause me have to fuck her and make me not there. And I'm top till Ivan there with me. So you come see me, when you see me in Ivan's house and Ivan in my house, we together. Together, okay? Free nights, hours on the phone, creating a relationship. Because whatever herpes they said Ivan have, my cocky is going in her raw. So I'll know if she have it. I don't want to know. I want to find out I'll find out the right way. No test result. Just straight in raw. I don't care. Raw dog in the pussy. No business. So if she has herpes, I'll let you guys know. Okay? I don't care. Raw cocky in a ivany hole. Fuck or raw. I don't care. I love it. I push my cock in the pussy raw. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I push my cock into her pussy raw. I don't care. I catch herpes. Oh, any crutch Ivan have, I shall have it. If you come have a life, go call her to blood clot. Ivan is my baby. Ivan, yo, people, me like Ivan if it's true. I don't know, chatting them. I don't think I joke. Yo, Daffy Duck, where you going delinquent? One delinquent in a man, Birchill and a Churchill in a man. People, big up, everybody comment, delinquent. Daffy. Birchill badness in a man. No boy, Birchill and a Churchill in a man. West side, the best side. I press my car into that bridge. I wanted to blood clot. Everybody is not catch herpes. I'll suffer me salt to catch it. Yo, damn Sparta, give me a play.
What up, brother? I pray now.
Yo, I'm there live with Tamale, son. Bomba.
Holy man, one Blam there, man. No boy.
A Tamale, son, this kind of favor.
Fully, man. Fully.
Bomba, I'm there live with Tamale, son. Bomba, dog. Yo, dog. Paper, Tamale, son, this kind of paper. Me there live with Tamale, son. We are there, me dog.
I'm there, man. I think what up, brother?
Yeah, man, me there.
Yeah, go on. Stream 2 game, you know?
Now, which game they play?
I don't say a 5 and I play that. Yeah, go and bust 2 RP.
I lie. I forgot to download the game, bad man. I can't see
yeah, that right RP we are run, man.
On the PC then?
Yeah, that on the PC we are running.
No, say every man, me say I play that, from.
Yeah, that I have to lift up on the PC, them, bro. I'm flying on it, bro.
Alright, that's all go on then, man.
Active, man, no brother, man. No boy, it's a badness, no, my dog.
Yeah, I know that already, man. Mega don't go.
Love, man. Mega dog.
Yeah, big up your body. Say that, fam.
Alright, my bro. Code up, man. Book.
People. Now skip at the plate, people. When I say I'll skip at the plate. Don't have any back up page. J Blam a waste, man. J Blam a follow up, man. They don't know where I come from. We are boy. And the man skank them used to go to school and they follow squash and try style, man. J Blam a waste, man. I rate them like a boy. If I look at boy, we say I buy them about people business. See people business, I leave it alone. Jamal this me. Jamal nah this me. Jamal I'm a boy, man. You mad? Dunce man nah this me, bro. Top tell lie. Jamal I'm a real you. Them I'm a dog. Jamal Dunce man, them dog get real you. No boy to the dog badness. No can't come comment no phone spam life. One Dunce man. Don't do that you. Go outside. 5150. No boy man, don't do that man. Don't comment that spam life. I rebuke that in Jesus' name. Suck your mother. With a little twitch up style. Boy Josh, you know they try follow up he killer man. Josh a waste man. Now follow up and look boy. People, what you all go and listen to me dog. One rocket, you know. Rocket boys. Night time. People not see me not skip a video man. With the big old 15. I eat more whole blood clam all than pan. Go for the 15 them. 15 them. go for the 15 them. Chip black like fuckery. I'm gonna hear some of Skipper voice with me in that video. People, me say, presidential compound, shut a man now. 40 ball bus load plus the post just come. Me full of money from me bulky going pan the first page. Pussy, have to wait pan dog plate me and you want to the same. Only for your stage show up money than one bed.
Since 1905. Living with opioid addiction can be a struggle. Supplicate with counselors.
Only for your stage show money than one bed. Only for your stage show money than one bed. See me there, people. See me there. Look. Check got like fucker. Me a celebrity. Me na Malidan video. Me na Skipper video. Me a celebrity.
I think me say R word all long.
Yes, me there in a Skipper video. Yeah. Me a celebrity.
Who name Skipper? Me everybody that talk about. Who him?
See me there. See Benz there. See Benz there. Me na Skipper video. Me a celebrity.
Who name Skipper? Me hear so much people that talk about him. Who name so?
See that there. You know the artist there, Skipper. See me there in that video. See me there. See me beg.
My TikTok ban your Blam them.
Oh, them ban me.
For the G, man, them ban your car. Me the live with.
Yeah, last time. See me there. See me there. What?
Who block me? Who block you?
Them block me feet.
TikTok we block you.
Alright then. You watching the Ivany, you send me, you come off phone. Come here talk on the phone.
Send me money now, $500
Yep.
me want.
You send it some?
Me want hear about a dirty Yankee eater boy. Come on page, come tell me about that boy. Me only take a Yankee them when me on. Not tell me nothing about. Me don't want to hear about him. See, that with Uno Jamaican. And that with Uno now. When a female and the Yankee man there and them left, Uno realize the female not talk about the man. Yeah, me not talk about him. Uno not happy. So now you try force me and now for oh say oh she running them. Listen when my blood clot no member boy. Where you want me do a ball? You see me not remember nobody me not one look a world. Leave me alone, man.
Me full of money from me bucky going on the first page.
Stop bringing me up on my life, bro. I'm not care.
Only if you see it show Mali than one bed.
Relax yourself. I'm glad that the page I'm the pan because the page are black.
Vani. Vani.
For the TikTok is my skin out my
Vani.
What?
Vani.
What money now? What money there?
Me tell you if you send me PayPal how long I
Just send me a PayPal for WhatsApp.
Alright, me go call the dog. Me go call the dog right now. Call the dog back.
Where you live? Miami? Where you live? Florida? Where that place they call?
Yeah, in Miami, Brooklyn. See there, in the high rising. See there.
I know something there you live.
Miami, Brooklyn. See there.
That they far from Fort Lauderdale?
About 30 minutes from Fort Lauderdale. Like now, like I know at night time when the traffic on the road, 30 minutes. But like in idea when traffic on the road, 1 hour and 40 or 40 minutes. When traffic on the road.
I don't like Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale is dirty Jamaica. I can't live up down a family live. No Jamaican live down because they can't afford the rent.
Yeah, me can't.
90% of Jamaican people can't find $5 a month for one look each up apartment like this. They not go do it because they go say 2 days and then can go get a big old house or a big old apartment at Fort Lauderdale for $2,500. So that's the estimate.
Like us.
Me not like us because remember say me I want it man. Me a man a war. So me can't live at house. I say me live at house now. Man will bleach for me when me a drive in my yard. So me can't live at house. Me have to live at apartment where me use my sensor, go underground and drive in and just drive under the garage and go in the elevator and come up in my house. So nobody can study me so. But you see me no man like me can't live in a house. Cause I'm tell you something about America. America is a place where you see once you get a mail somewhere, me can't find the address right now.
You can't find my address. Me smart
Right now. You ever get mail less yet in your real name?
Bam them. Me not collect mail at me yard.
Well, if you do it,
Me
or
will
you, any
live,
kind of
me
that, we
will
can
live,
look up your name.
me will live at me yard, yes, sir.
All if
And
your
me got a
son mail,
post
all if your son mail,
officer.
me can't find your address.
Me can't
Me have a
got,
link me.
me got a post officer 20 minutes from me yard, 30 minutes from me yard.
Well, yeah, if you want anything at all, you connect to
Me
your
have
yard.
a PO box. Where me live
Oh,
now, the package them got one place. You know fetch? It got fetch.
oh.
It got one place called Fetch. I think Fetch work with the apartment complex. All of
Well,
the
all right, me
package
tell you how me safe.
go
How me do
Fetch
for
or
safe,
Fetch
Ivan. Let me
can
tell you
come
what me
here.
do. Me don't send no mail at me yard. Me live a place. You see, all if you know, say me live on a building, you can't come here for condo me nothing, cause you have to go through security them and what something to come up here so. And you have to go through our next sensor to come in our building. And you have to use our next sensor to come up on the elevator. So 3 sensors you have to go through. Plus you have to have a code to me door if you come in. Or
I saw
sensor.
but you can't come up. I have to go down
So
with a
you have
key
a
man.
long way to go to get to me. So you have to just go and hold
Okay,
them. You know what? I
me
bet you
live
just
on the
wait till me
line
come on
and
road.
me see how things work as saying and me no make no mail no come on my yard. Me a PO box we go call it that. And me see how things work, yeah.
I say me can't want to look at girl come here and me feel like say me never trust him, me move.
So
Now
you
what?
can't in the first place. So you can't go somewhere else. Can't one nice decent hotel.
No, cause sometimes some of them you rate your name close. You know them long time. And then they end up you just feel
And them too,
sometimes they
you
don't
know
really
long
know.
time fuck you up, you know.
Yeah, so that happened to me already. And he went there, so now Jamaican now go live as so now Jamaican now go see me
But me
in
I
the
almost have
elevator.
to same rent.
When he so you have to do for run find him, just speak rent some place where you go think now and pay them money. There's some place where you say 5,000 a month is a little place.
Then
Now
I'm
live as
telling you, video. I'm switch over me.
you can't sleep compatible at night time. Right, let me see somebody come at me.
He's going to.
Me so move from your side, Barney. Me so move. I mean, there's some
What you tell me
bumbo.
about who I watch me for? Where a bitch I watch me for? No, them white girl I can't ramp with me. Me have to switch over my phone. Them white girl I can't ramp with me.
Ivan, stand up, me see you know. You're sexy, man.
And me we walk and me we drive my Benz.
So, Ivan, you talk at gym now and something?
Eh?
Or you get so sexy?
You can't bother with the gym, no butt shot.
So, what you know? So, you take vitamin, then if you get the body, get thick up.
Me not, you know me not really take vitamin.
Yeah, you have to take your vitamin so your body go show better. More, right? Better than you. That's the thing, so you have to go to watch more. You don't have to do no more surgery.
Me I do more body.
You know,
The 5th of
you go too
September.
big. Believe me, you go too big and not do it.
No, it's not too big. Me I do my body the 5th of September and then after that my body I go look good.
So make us try out the gym first and vitamin.
Yeah, the gym, but me can't take a gym. My gym get too much
You
problem.
go down back if you still no go. No matter how you take it. So better just go and done.
No, me
If you
can't.
not maintain it, you go down back, me I tell you.
You know, go down. My body
Alright.
get big.
Remember say I will if I dirty word. We do them body me fuck and go through, you know. And the whole of them are 99.9% of girl we do them body that drunk them. I pussy them, I fuck them myself.
Oh.
So enough girl we to do them body. You know, all of them in Miami. Make
I'm a stripper.
so if them are a stripper, them a fuck. They fuck man with money. You have to carry them a mad and spend money with them see. Is then now fuck you. Just wish that pussy they well if you not spend no money. Only way they fuck you for free unless you're a bad man.
Then they with
Or you fuck them
the
good.
rapper them and the man them a play basketball.
Yeah. Only way they will fuck you unless you're a gunman in the street and they feel like you can defend them. Or they rate you because you don't know. You go junk them off and get a one fucker, you fuck them good and you stick on to you. But you got compulsory them something happen. Cause that Yankee them suck them pussy and they love Yankee them. But you know we not depend anything there. Money we use buy them out.
Support at me league. September 1st I win. What date that?
Right now, me tap all spend money on girl too, cause you know worth it. Are you more want to spend pan no? More want settle along with you. More tap spend money pan the girl them. Are you more want to let it
So
spend
you
pan?
spend money on them and you not even call me one day and say, room?
I remember say money can't do, you know. So you never too late. We can't make it happen now.
Yeah.
Get some add how much clothes give thinking big C and see what you do to me there.
When do you?
No matter the guy go near more team. Drunk with it.
Where money there? For your dresser?
You me call you must send him man. Hold on.
Yeah, lie to me.
I want me a lie about that for tap fucking bro.
Yeah, come off and go on my bed.
You must say now. Come off, yeah, come off.
Yeah, man, come off first.
Alright, then do that.
You can buy big C clothes and can't buy me. Me gone from now. Me gone.
Me a pay down pan the pussy people. I have to sell me a fuck cause me want some pussy for that. I mean, me like her more. I'm serious with no. Me not buy no fuck. Me love a serious relationship. Me serious thing. Me a fuck and stay. People me a call her come off and go send her Ivany money. And call her on the phone. Make she show me her fat pussy. Until me make him come down and fuck it. Yeah. Me want fuck Ivany. Ivany come skin out the pussy give me. Ivany your pussy fat. Ivany me a fuck your raw. Ivan, your pussy fat. Me a go fuck your raw. Come in your hole. Give you one daughter. Move in with me, make we fight every day. And kill one la. No one toxic girl with toxic like a me. One drunker we a drunker like a me. Me like the drunker them cause them fuck good. They have experience in a fucking. So me like them. Me no want a girl when I fuck long time. Me no want a girl when I fuck out. Me want the fuck out girl them me give them enough money. If you no fuck out, me no want you. Because you know I no experience, you can't suck out good. The batty boy I send me request for. If you want money, you have to fuck me. Stop, your mama. Ivan, carry pussy come. Me I sing a song for your pussy. Ivan, your pussy fat. Where there when you come to Miami, me they want to fuck you, but did you did your body. Me that try fuck your sons, but you go. Ivan, come fuck me come tell the internet. Say we fuck. Money pull up. Alright. Get one with him. Skin it out, give me. Ivan, your pussy fat. I'm if you fuck you. I'm if you breed you. You should make how we breed you. And me should breed you. Because me don't mind the youth. Because me love mine. Girl with pitney youth. We are not for me. Like I say, for me. Me mind me little brother them. I mean, I no youth. I me get a youth, me mind it. Me a madman long time from me born. Ask anybody about me mad. Me a mad me a mad out. Me a mad. Go suck out to the mama. Well, people, when you can go suck out to the mother, record this a morning. Record your bumbo clock, counting in the pan. And go suck to the mama way. You feel like you can't clown me out, pussy. Remember, me probably know me a clown already. You can't clown me out. Well, what I'm gonna go suck out to nobody. Me I come out of this bumbo clock. Everybody, go suck out to the mama. Well, no matter suck her out from back way. Me I come out of this. You're not hypocrite. Me not like you drunk. It's that me come off or no black me life. So me I come off. Me I come off of this bumbo clock. I come off go call live and look come on. Move here, move big up skeng. Look more people. Nicki Minaj, big up herself, you know. A one queen in a man, any other way a dot. If you not say Nicki Minaj, you not say nothing. Bumbo climb, let me no belt show. Life I keep. Come on.